Hey, what's up? It's Keith Kalfas. I want to invite you tomorrow night, Thursday night. I'm so sorry for the late notice, but I'm doing a live webinar with Joshua Latimer, and he's going to be teaching what are the 5 stages of growth in a small business, and what stage are you in? What stage are we in? And in this webinar, he's going to be teaching a bunch of stuff about business. We're going to have some breakthroughs, some aha moments. He's going to be teaching how to get from one stage to the next. What does that look like? And he's also going to be giving a free PDF download report of the 5 stages. And it's going to be super valuable information. So I'm just letting you know, if you want to be on the webinar, come check it out, dog. And I'll put a link below. I don't really want to put a link below this video, because as soon as YouTube sees people going off of this video, they're gonna sandbox the video, which means that they're gonna crush the video, because they reward you for keeping people on YouTube. So if you really don't feel like going to my Facebook page and finding it, then maybe you've got the email from me. But if you really want to join and you don't feel like it, just click the link in the description below and go and sign up for the webinar. And I will see you there. One thing, as I just left the Automate, Grow, Sell live experience event, it was incredible. It was amazing. I got to hang out with a whole bunch of high performers and people who just are weirdos. And I guess that's like a different video. That's like a 20-minute video. The insights I had were just, imagine staying up to like 1 o'clock in the morning with other small business owners that are much more successful than you, and even being able to ask them every question you've always wanted to ask. Super cool stuff. All right, cool. I'll see you on the webinar tomorrow, Thursday night. Pew.